Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see the recruitment from SBI. So from SBI, there is a recruitment happening for the post of apprentice, and the qualification is only any degree. That is, if you have a degree in any discipline or any branch, you are eligible to apply. Okay, so this is a freshers recruitment and it's a golden opportunity. So I would suggest you to watch this video till the end. We'll be seeing all the details. We'll be seeing the vacancy detail, the qualification, selection procedure, application details, everything. Okay. So let us see about the post. First, okay, so the post is for apprentice and it is a 3 years apprenticeship. Okay, so generally the apprenticeship from the government organization will be for 1 year, but here it is for 3 years. Okay, so the 3-year apprenticeship from the SBI, and the qualification they are asking is any degree if you have, you are eligible to apply, and also 2020 batch is also eligible to apply. Okay, the total number of vacancies in all around the India. So for all the states, the recruitment is happening, and the total vacancies is 8,500 vacancy is there. Okay, totally there is 8,500 vacancies, and also they have given the state-wise vacancies, and they have given that if you belong to a particular state, then only you can apply for that particular state, and plus you should be knowing the language of that is a mother tongue of that particular state also you should be knowing. So that is also a requirement. Okay, so that is the details. The training is for 3 years, and I'll be giving you the state-wise vacancies also. Okay, and before seeing that, the stipend they are saying for the various years, as I've told, there is a 3 years of apprenticeship. For the first year, you'll be getting 15,000 rupees as a stipend. For the second year, you'll be getting 16,500 rupees as stipend. For the third year, you will be getting 19,000 rupees as a stipend. Okay, so this is the stipend details for the 3 years. And the age limit is from 20 to 28 years is the maximum age limit. And there is also age relaxation for all the reserved categories as per the Government of India rules. Okay, now let us see the state-wise details. I'll tell you once again that only for the respective state which you are belonging to, you are eligible to apply. Okay, so the state-wise details is like this. For Gujarat, there is 480 vacancy, Andhra Pradesh 620, Karnataka 600, Madhya Pradesh 430, Chhattisgarh 90, West Bengal 480, Odisha 400, Himachal Pradesh 130, Haryana 162, Punjab 260, Tamil Nadu 470, then Pondicherry 6, Delhi 7, Telangana 460, Rajasthan 720, Kerala 141, Uttar Pradesh 1260, etc. So for the other state details, I'll be showing you the image that you can see. And also in the notification, they have given the state-wise vacancy. So if you belong to a particular state, for example, if you belong to Rajasthan, you can only apply for that particular state's vacancy. And also in a particular state, there are various districts, right? And the various district vacancies also given. Okay, so they have given the split up for the state-wise vacancies, and for a particular state, the district-wise vacancy is also given. Okay, and along with the state details, you can see that the language of that state is also mentioned. So why they have mentioned is that you should be knowing the basics, or if you should be knowing the language also for that respective state, and there is also a language test included in the selection process. Okay, so let us see the selection process nextly. So this is the state-wise vacancy details. Now the selection process, there are 2 stages of selection. One is online test, and along with that there is a local language test. So that's why I've told you that if you belong to a particular state, you should be knowing the local language of that state also. Okay, so there is 2 tests. There is online test and there is local language test. For the online test, the syllabus is like this, and also the marks also they have given. Okay, so the syllabus is general and financial awareness. 25 marks will be there from the general and financial awareness. Time duration is 15 minutes. From the English subject, they have given 25 marks, and also time duration is 15 minutes. Quantitative aptitude, 25 marks, 15 minutes. Reasoning and computer aptitude, 25 marks and 15 minutes. So totally 100 marks examination is the online test, and the time duration is 1 hour. So this is the one test. Along with that, there is a local language test also. Okay. So that is the selection process. There will be two tests. There is an online test which is asking these areas. All these are general areas. Okay. And also along with that, there is a local language test also. Okay. Now, the application procedure is, for applying, you have to apply online. You don't have to go to the MHRD site. Generally, for applying for all the Government of India organization apprenticeship, you have to go to mhrdnats.gov.in, right? But here you don't have to go to that site. You can directly apply on the SBI site itself. That is online procedure only. You have to fill up all your details. You have to enter your qualifications, your photo, your signature, all those things you have to upload. And you have to fill up the form. Okay. And also there is fees for applying. For the general category, there is 300 rupees fees. And for SC/ST, there is no fees. Okay. They are exempted from the fees. And the last date for applying is 10th of December. And also, after applying and after paying the fees, you have to take a printout of the application for your future reference. Okay. So if you have any doubts, or if you, while you are being called for the selection process or and all, if you want to have a look onto your application, you just have to take the printout of your application form, which you have filled all the details for your future reference. Okay. You don't have to send it, but you have to keep it with yourself. Okay. So that is the application procedure. And the last date, I will repeat it once again, just 10th of December. Okay. So I'm hoping that all the details I could be able to pass on to you. This is a golden opportunity. You don't require any experience or anything, but you will get 3 years of working experience with SBI. So if you are interested, please do see the notification first. In detail, please go through all the fields necessary. And if you think that you are eligible, please do apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. And if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.